Alright, today I'm going to show you how to fix an E7-4 error on your Xbox 360 or the One Ring of Death. Just to show you that this has one ring, E7-4 error. I'll turn this on and show you. And on the screen, you get E7-4. Tells you the context, customer support, and to show you the error code. What it actually looks like would be by pressing eject and the sync key at the same time. I'll show you in a second once I get this on the tripod. One, 0, 2, 2. 1022. Alright, let's get this apart and I'll show you all the parts you need in a second. Alright, this is how you take apart the Xbox. I'm not going to go through the complete tutorial, just look it up online. Gonna need this really small screwdriver to get these little holes in here, here, and here, here, here. You can use a screwdriver to get the holes in here off. So you just gotta slide that in, and it should just pop right off. There's tabs in these little holes right here, and the last little tab is behind the foot on the other side. Right here.